cinched, you know? Like when you put like good belt and you're like that. Oh my god. Love, 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 love. Don't we love it? Santa is coming to town. Well, good day, my friends, and welcome back to another day of VLOGMAS. Happy start to your week or weekend, and I hope that you're all doing great. I've been having so much fun doing these VLOGMAS videos. I just took a shower, and I'm about to get my face ready because it's really dry. As you all know, my skin is probably dehydrated. I'm gonna use the new Dr. Jart Plus toner, and hopefully it works. Hydro Plump. Let's see what it does. Today I have a busy day. It's been busy in the morning because of work. I do have a 9 to 5 for those of you that don't know, and hopefully I can make this my 9 to 5 next year, and I'm just manifesting this. This is my 9 to 5, so I can do this and do videos and create content full time. And I'm manifesting it. I want to see what this feels like on my skin. They told me to just grab a little bit of my hand. Oh, it's very watery. And pat it on your skin. Doesn't have scent, which is nice because I hate scents. I don't know if I should do it close to my eyes, but I'm gonna do it right there. Pat, 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 pat. Perfect. Pat, 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 pat. Oh, yes. Plump me. Yes. Oh my god. What am I doing? So tell me, what are you guys doing? What are your plans for the holiday? Anything fun going on during this holiday season? My whole thing with using facial products is I always feel like I'm gonna look like a diamond. I definitely don't want to look like a mirror out there. I don't want people to see the reflection on my face. Like, I hate that. So hopefully this doesn't do that. It feels really good though. Like, it makes your skin feel tight, like in a good way. Like, not in like a bad way, but like it makes it feel cinched, you know? Like when you put like good belt and you're like that. This completely dry. My face feels really good. Oh, my hair is getting messy. I have to put something on it. I just put a little bit of moisturizer, probably about this much. And the one that I use is La Roche-Posay. I get this from Target. I just like things that are easy to obtain, that I don't have to travel to a million places or wait weeks to get it in the mail. And this works with my skin. It actually makes it feel extremely moisturized. And because I have oily skin, this is great. Like, it's for oily combination skin, and it works incredible. I've used so many of these little tubes. So usually I just rub it in my fingers like this, and then I just go on my face and I apply it like this, and very gently just kind of like rub it on the skin, massage it onto the skin. Actually, not rub it, but massage it onto the skin. Don't forget those little, crevices on the side of your head, like right here, because you want to be looking like an old wrinkled couch. I should carry on to my ears and my neck in an upward motion because we don't want our skins to sag. Done. Okay, now hair time, because my hair is looking a hot mess. It kind of dried out since I took the shower. I'm just gonna put a little more water in it so it's not so dry. My hair is curly by nature, and sometimes it's hard to just give it a specific type of shape. So I'm grabbing my products real quick, show you what I use. So for my hair, I have a very simple routine. One thing I use is, again, I get this from Target. I use Not Your Mother's products. They work really well with my hair. So this is all eyes on me, 10 in 1. It smells great. So usually just kind of like spray it around like this. It's like a cream almost, because I've seen it. So I spray it around the head like that, then done with that step. Then I use Not Your Mother's Curl Defining Paste or Cream, I'm sorry, like this. Again, I get it from Target. And then I got a little bit of it. Oh, gotta go to Target to get more. About this much. And then I also have Silk Therapy Bio Silk Oil. It's like a leave-in oil for your hair. It smells delicious. I think I mainly use it just because of the smell. So I grab a little bit and I just put it on my hand next to the cream. I grab it in my hand, looks like that. And I go from the back to the front. So I start to the back, work my way to the front, and then start styling it a little bit. Because there's one more step. Then American Crew Defining Paste. Get a little bit of my fingernail like this. Just about the size of my fingernail. Put it in my hand. Rub it in my hands, like kind of make sure it's kind of well distributed within the hands. Looks like that. And then again, backwards, going forward. So like starting the back, moving my way. I find that this helps with pretty much my hair not becoming so frizzy, especially if it's humid outside, and also it helps it keep its shape a little better because my hair is going to do what it wants to do, but at the end of the day this helps a little bit with more control. And we just leave it like this, and now we just let it air dry, and once it starts to air dry I start running my fingers through it to give it a little more volume and to make it look less wet. There is one thing I forgot. I like to curl my lashes. For about 15 seconds on each eye. This one doesn't feel curled enough. Anyway, so that's that. See that little curl now. So now I just add a little bit of mascara, and I always use brown mascara because I don't like the darkness of, I mean personally, I don't like how harsh the dark mascara can look. So just put a little bit of brown mascara, which kind of blends better with my features, and it's not so harsh on the face, so it looks a little more subtle. Because you know we like subtlety around here. This is what we do. We just kind of like whisk it in there like this. You know, we're gonna sideways, and then there's like a big brush that you use to kind of like separate it. And then I do the other eye. This one. Yeah. And do the other eye. Perfect. And this whole process takes me about daily, if I'm not talking or vlogging about it, maybe like 5 minutes or so. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna just grab a quick sweatshirt to put on. Oh my god, I love this sweatshirt. It is so cute. I think I thrifted it at some point. So if one thing that I love to collect is Christmas sweaters, and I have so many of them. This is so cute. Oh my god. I'm gonna put this on, and this is what we're gonna wear for the rest of the day. It's really nice weather. It's beautiful out. It's sunny and not cold. Well, it's on like in the 60s, so it's not bad. Oh my god. Alright, so you see how I started running my fingers through my hair as I go, and then there we go. Don't really love it. Santa is coming to town. I just got Starbucks, and this is the sugar cookie. It was supposed to be with almond milk, however, I get it with oat milk because they're out of almond. So let's try it and see what it tastes like. Not my favorite. Okay guys, this coffee, not my favorite. So I asked the guy if there was something that he would recommend. Like I was like, hey, I want to have a holiday drink. Which one do you recommend? He's like, I recommend the sugar cookie beverage. I'm like, perfect, I'll have it. Ooh, definitely I've had better. I can tell you that. Definitely I've had better. They have Legos on sale right now. So I have this one, which is one of my favorite sets I've ever bought. It is so much fun to put together. But look how cute this Vespa is. And I also see that they have a set of succulents over here. Look how pretty these are. Okay, my friends, we are headed to the doctor. We are getting my eyes checked today. Hopefully nothing's changed. Hopefully everything is the same. Yeah, so we're getting our eyes checked and then coming back and finishing some things around the house. And I promise you guys, I'm gonna try to wrap some boxes today. By the way, it's so beautiful out, like such beautiful weather. Just finished at the eye doctor. My prescription did change just slightly, but not much. Ordered my new contacts. Oh my god, you guys. So I left the doctor's office and I forgot my actual glasses in there. I was like, wait, did I get my glasses back? So I have to go back and get them. After I turned around to go get my glasses, I saw that they were open. So this is called King of Pops, and they sell the best vanilla self-serve ever. And I always get it with lots of sprinkles because they are delicious. So yummy. Oh my god, it's so good. The sprinkles are so yummy. Delicious. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Obviously, it didn't happen today. I've actually been trying to upload today's video. So this video that you're watching right now will be out tomorrow. So this is tomorrow's outro, but I've been trying to upload today's video, day 4, and it's taken over 2 hours. I'm not sure what's going on with YouTube, but I'm gonna keep trying to upload it. And then I'm gonna edit tomorrow's video tonight because I have a very hectic day tomorrow, which means I will not have time to edit during the day. And I want to make sure that I'm uploading every single day, which is why I want to thank you so much, because you chose to spend your time with me, even though there are hundreds of VLOGMAS videos out there. So you chose to watch me, and I am so thankful for it. It is a very fun process, but also a very time-consuming process. And I want to be able to put something that I'm very proud of out there. I love you all. Don't forget, the journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. And I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye, guys.